Alright everyone, it's time for me to react to videos, so we're doing this one. This is coconuts. Okay. The coconuts. Whoa. The inside is so white that so that's how people made coconut milk. But Mom was making something except for milk. Okay, she's peeling the white off from the inside of a coconut. I wonder what my mom's gonna do when she cooked that. Okay, that's a little laggy. Okay, now she's putting meat in there. Why? Wait, mushrooms. And I think it might be garlic. Maybe that's garlic? Alright. Okay. Oh well, that's well cooked. Gonna cook it again. Oh wow, that's actually pretty special. Well, at least the meat wasn't... Wait, is that lemongrass or asparagus? I don't know, but it just looks like this. And water with a weird something else. Maybe that's salt and pepper. I just don't know. Might be a little weird and cookie. Alright. I don't know what's that. I think that might be pepper. Okay, what's next? Tomatoes? Oh, I guess that's a vegetarian. What? I don't know what's that too, but it might be cucumber, or maybe you got butter. And now you're just mixing it like soup. Okay, mixing it very well. And now you're going to cook it again. Oh, wait, what? You're getting the coconuts? I did not know you're gonna use the coconuts. Alright, mixing it good again. This might be the delicious food ever, but I still don't like mushrooms anyways. But pepper and whatever that is. I don't know. It's just green pepper and wait, are those basil leaves? Probably you guys or girls might see this because I don't know if they're basil leaves, but I only see green pepper. Next. Okay, chicken fries, my favorites. Maybe it's not chicken fries. Oh yeah, it is chicken fries. Okay. Wait, sweet chili sauce? But that's like spicy. Chili sauce? I wonder if that's made out of pepper. Whoa, what though? We're back to this thing again. And now we have this chicken with basil. Okay. I wonder why my mother put that there. And now you're also putting the mixtures. Okay. Alright. It's getting a little steamy right now. Now you're just putting pepper on it too. More pepper? I mean, like, why is it's this thing again? That's not bamboo. I think that's a little good, but I don't like pepper. I just don't really know that, but it kind of looks delicious. Only the chicken.
That's what we call Binakol.
Oh, that's Binakol. Okay. Thank you, everyone. Thanks for watching. Bye.